parts departments can make a lot of money for the dealership. And that includes for customer pay work, but also for people coming in to buy shirts and hats and other things, or add-on equipment to their vehicles. Parts departments and dealerships can and will compete with anybody out in the marketplace. We've got to get better at treating customers. Right now, if I call a parts dealership or parts store out there in the marketplace, they can look up based on my license plate number what kind of car I have and have the VIN number. That technology exists. It should be in every single dealership. Customers are important, and the parts department interacts with a lot of customers who have bought from us in the past or will buy from us in the future. We need to treat it as a great opportunity to be able to merchandise equipment and things that people want, but also to bring in new customers to our dealership.